In this video, I will show you how to process fulfilled by partner orders. Navigate to your warehouse and click on Stock Request. You will be redirected to the Stock Request page where you will have 3 tabs that you need to attend. The first tab is the Pending Orders tab, where you will have pending orders that you need to address, such as accept or reject the orders. To accept an order, mark the product and click on Create Pick List on top of the page. If you would like to accept all the orders, then simply mark all the products and click on Create Pick List on top of the page. Then click on Confirm to send these items to the pick list. Go to your Pick List tab and make sure to print the partner barcode labels for each of your products, and then click on Mark Ready to Pick Up when these items are ready to be handed to Noon Associates. You will find your pickup reference number on this page, so print 2 copies of this pickup list, one for yourself and one to give along with the Noon orders. If you have any more pending orders, you can go back to your Pending tab and mark them for pick list. You should make a note of the fulfillment promise date, as it is very important that you fulfill your orders before the due time, otherwise your Noon seller performance will decline. After you have labeled partner barcodes on your products and printed out the ready for pickup documents, bag them in a Noon provided free pickup bags and hand over to your nearest Noon associate pickup location. If you are not aware of the nearest drop-off location, you can contact the seller support team and ask them for a specific location.